folks, we're now headed up into Turkey Hollow. Now, Turkey Hollow is also known to us truck drivers as Lover's Lane. So if you're sitting next to that special someone, or simply want to make it awkward between you and a stranger, well, let's slide on real close and give them a nice, big, juicy high five or a $20 bill, because, you know, love's expensive nowadays. Coming up on your left here will be our U.S. government tree. Now, our U.S. government tree gets its name because all three of its branches. Well, I know I am no mathematician, but I'm pretty sure that only leaves me with 4 inches to work with.
Oh, look at that stuff.
If you think this is challenging, well then just wait till we cross that bridge up there in reverse at night. Blindfolded. That's why they call me a professional. Thank you very much. Last Look Point gets its name for 2 reasons. One being that it's the last good look at the Wisconsin River you'll get. So if you want any good pictures, now would be a great time. And if you follow that far shoreline there all the way to the right, as far as you can see, you'll see where we came in today. That point there known as Echo Point. Echo Point. Echo Point. And the second reason being right at the bottom of this hill here, there's a 50-foot up in the air. Take that, Six Flags. Alrighty, anybody want to see me do that in reverse? Yeah, alright. Well, I ain't doing that, so. You're all die-hard Green Bay Packer fans. No, I wouldn't worry about those lines or bears on today's tour, because this morning before work, I came out here and I painted a big white end zone around this entire area. Now we all know that those lines or bears. Right here, folks, is the best look you'll get at the breach that happened back in 2008. Now picture that tree line in the far side of the road there continuing. A little bit of an idea as to where you are on Lake Delta today. Into the top to the left, let's across the lake, that big brown building with the green rooftop. That is the wilderness on the lake. If you look to the left of that, is far to happening, $1.5 million 80-foot spill.
Hold on tight.
Here we go. Yeah, I was not kidding about that tidal wave back there, was that, folks? swing as it soars across the Wisconsin River. Now, when I did say this was the most famous, that's because it's featured in Life magazine in 1962. And I especially hope you enjoy this one, folks, as it is very near and dear to my heart, as it did take me a full 6.5 months to carve. Isn't it, folks? Now it'd make it a little bit bumpy entering into the Pacific today, so the one hand, but grab that seat in front of you, and with the other hand, plug your nose. Just like that, we are able to float the Wisconsin River. Now I've just disengaged the wheels, so we look on either side of us today. You'll see those wheels slowly sinking to the bottom.
Right into the water.
Accept moisture acting as a natural air conditioner. So at any point down here for Adele, it may be up to 10 degrees cooler, making us the coolest people in the Dells.
I don't know why you did that. Drop them on the
Like on today's tour, please point it out, and I'll do my very best to make sure you guys get a good look. Half-mile journey, half on land, half on water, and if you're lucky, just a little bit in the air. Oh dear, you're up on your right there.
But it's yeah,
You can see her very well. And she looks so real, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Couldn't believe the amount of batteries goes into these things. Let's get your tour today will consist of 3 parts. 1 part Wisconsin Dells history, 1 part Native American legend.
Hold on, we missed this picture. Hold on, stand right there. 1,